Let's take a look at this problem. Got our picture. There's theta. And this is A, B, and C. And they're telling us that theta is equal to 10.2 degrees and B is equal to 40 centimeters. Okay. Well, let's draw our picture again. Made it a little bit bigger just so we can see it easier. This is B, A, and C. Our angle that's opposite side A is angle A. Our angle that's opposite side B is angle B. And then angle C would be the 90 degrees here. Now solving our right triangle means finding all the angles and all the sides. Well, they tell us theta, which is 10.2, which is right here, which corresponds with our B. So this is 10.2 degrees. Now C is right here, and it's our 90 degrees by definition. Then it also tells us B is 40 centimeters. So first thing, let's find A. A is going to equal to 90 degrees minus angle B. So we got 90 degrees minus 10.2 degrees. I think that's 89.8, but I'm not very good with let me write it down just to test myself. I didn't write 79.8, I think. But let me plug in the calculator just to be on the safe side. Like I say, not very good with decimals. 90 minus 10.2 and 79.8. Okay, so now we know what A is. Now A is not an approximation, B is not an approximation, so I could use either one of these in these next ones. But I want to find side A. Okay, so if we draw a picture, they tell us that B is 10.2 and B was right here, so this is 10.2 degrees. And they also give us side B, which from our picture is over here, and so this is B. Specifically in relation to this angle, it's the opposite side. So they're telling us that opposite is equal to 40 centimeters. And we want to find side A. Side A is right here, which in terms of our angle is the adjacent side. So we're looking for something that deals with opposite and adjacent. Well, that's tangent, if we look at our formulas. So tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Well, tangent of 10.2 degrees is equal to opposite is 40 centimeters over adjacent, which is our A. I'll go ahead and put an A there just to simplify the writing. Okay, now we want to solve for A. So I'll multiply both sides by A. So I get A tangent 10.2 degrees is equal to 40 centimeters. And then we'll divide both sides by tangent 10.2 degrees. So A is going to equal to 40 centimeters divided by tangent 10.2 degrees. You have to make sure your calculator is in degree mode. So if I come over here, if I press my mode button, your third option here, you should see degree highlighted. If it isn't, down arrow that line, right arrow, and press enter on degree. In second mode, to exit out. And we got 40 divided by tangent of 10.2. And then we'll press enter. Now I'll take it 3 decimal places. So A is equal to 200. Boy, that's a big side, isn't it? 222.31, 3 decimal places, 311 centimeters. So 222.311 centimeters. Excuse me. Okay, so now we want to find C. Side C, that is. Okay, let's draw a picture. Again, the angle they give us is right here. This is 10.2 degrees. The side they give us is this over here, which is B, which in terms of our angle is the opposite side again. So that's 40 centimeters. Now we're trying to find side C, which is right here, which is our hypotenuse. So I'm looking for some kind of formula that connects the opposite and hypotenuse together. Well, that'd be sine. Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So we're going to have sine of 10.2 degrees is equal to opposite, which is 40 centimeters, over hypotenuse, which is C. So I'll just go ahead and put C there to simplify the math, or to simplify the calculations. So I multiply both sides by C, and I get C sine 10.2 degrees is equal to 40 centimeters. And then I want to divide both sides by sine 10.2 degrees. So we got C is equal to 40 centimeters divided by sine of 10.2 degrees. Okay, so I got 40 divided by sine of 10.2. And I'm in degrees, so I don't need to put a degree mark. That's pretty large too. 225.881 to 3 decimal places. Centimeters. So 225.881 centimeters. And that would be our answer. Again, solving your triangle means finding all that information. And it makes sense that these are fairly close together because angle A and angle C are fairly close together.